Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can replace a background on CapCut PC by using the green screen. So like by using the Chroma key basically. So select your video, make sure the background is a green screen. Now select video here and go to cutout and select Chroma key. Select the color picker and then select the green bit and adjust the strength. You can also adjust the shadow here. And make sure that none of the green bits of the video is discarded, like this part right here. So I'm just going to adjust it. Then go to basic, scroll down until you find canvas. So you'll have these options, but you can only use color and style. This one's for color and the other one's for style. Also, you can only view this if your video is down here. If you put it up, the canvas won't be there, so make sure of that. And I'm just going to go to style and I'm going to select one that matches the video the most. So like maybe this one. There was a darker one though. I feel like this one or this one. Totally up to you which one you want to use, of course. But yeah, that is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!